What's up everyone? In today's video, we are switching to CapCut and this is what we are going to learn today. So without wasting any time, let's head towards the main process.
Now let's start with the background. He'll add a dark background and then place a red light texture on the top. After that, he'll import the stopwatch 3D footage and place it in the center of the screen. To make it more engaging, he'll add a smooth scale animation using keyframes. Next, he'll add the main headline text. For better visual hierarchy, I am using white and red colors to highlight the most important words. Now let's create the transition to the next scene. He'll animate the elements out and bring in the trash can icon with a simple pop-out effect. Now let's create the transition to the next scene. He'll animate the elements out and bring in the trash can icon with a simple pop-out effect. Next, you'll create the numbered circles. This will represent the 4 strategies shown in the infographic. You'll duplicate the first circle multiple times instead of creating each one from scratch. This saves time and keeps the design consistent. After arranging all the elements, you'll add scale and position animations to each item one by one. To make the motion smoother, you'll apply easing to the all keyframes. This gives the animation a much more professional feel. For looking good, you'll add another text and give it a simple animation by using keyframes. Finally, preview the project, make any necessary adjustments, and export it in high quality. And that's it, we have successfully made a clean and modern infographic animation.